What's up, people? Thank you for tuning in to another video. We got another Disney Pixar Cars 3, this demo Derby edition. I think there's 8 of these type of vehicles. That comes the car, and it comes with a little piece on the side, so you can make a diorama type. And this one is Superfly. Thought it was super cool with the engine popping out and the colors, the blue and the green, yellows. But enough of that, let me open it up. This was one of 2 that I found. I found 3 of them. I found this was the 3rd one, but I didn't pick it up. Didn't think it was that, cool. The last one that I opened was this one, Bill. And I would really like to find Jambalaya. And that's about it. That one's pretty cool. They're airborne, but with that sign. So this was also the one that we got with the little sign of the motor oil. So let's crack it open, see what it's all about. This one also has synthetic rubber wheels. So sliced it open. There it is. Pick this one up at Big Lots. There you go. Let's check out the wheels. These wheels are not rubber. These are just plastic. But I thought they were a cool addition. That's why I kind of... Oh, there that one goes. So the wheels, these picked it up because of that and because of the color of the car. And I like these weird cars from the movie Cars, from that universe. There's the synthetic wheels. These are the back tires are more spaced out than the front. They're also thin. And there on the spoiler we see Superfly, and the spoiler looks like it's wood. Like they just added it on. The car looks like it's from a Derby, this demolition Derby, all busted up and dented, but with a little bit of paint they can keep on going. It says the original Superfly on the side, the number 72, and there's the motor. Looks pretty cool. Pretty dope. So there it is. This is one of 2 that I have. I think in total there's 8 of them, but this is the one I decided to pick up. What happened, Pa? Oh, be careful! Don't. Yes. Have the little my son here. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys this new addition to my collection. I'll put it with all the others from this universe of Disney Pixar Cars. In the back it says something. Get wrecked. There you go. The original Superfly. This one is a very cool car. Here you go. Oh, you like that? Here. Say bye. Have a good one. You want to give it back to me? Good luck collecting. Hunting. Bye bye.